Today we're covering the iHome wireless waterproof speaker. It could be connected to your Android device, your iPod, iPad, Samsung. So let's go ahead and open this package up and see what we have here. Okay, now that we got it open, here's your power button, your volume down, volume up, your play pause. This is where you can sync your device, your rewind, or I'm sorry, this is your end call, your talk, so I guess it does take phone calls. And you got a little keychain here. Put it on your backpack, your bike. And there's two speakers right here. You turn it around and you got one bigger speaker right here. Okay, we have this connected to my son's tablet.
We are all Riley's emotions and we do everything to make sure she has a perfect day. In a few seconds, I'll show you guys how we get ready every day for this big and important job.
Is that your subwoofer?
My sister Rose is going to be discussed, and disgust is basically the one that prevents Riley from getting poisoned physically and socially.
Okay, well, this is it up. I guess it will get louder with it being charged. This is your subwoofer. Not bad, actually. Kind of loud. Okay, let's put on some tunes.
Faces always pages stand out in the crowd. Oh, darling, I was right to let you go, baby. But now, since I've seen you in this I want you back. Yes, I do now. Get back.
Okay, so this is the iHome wireless speaker. They say it can last up to 14 hours. It is water resistant. It's good with any device. So far, so good. We're going to go ahead and test this over the next couple of days and come back with what we think about how this works. Here we're back after the review of the iHome speaker. I've been using it for a couple days now. I would say that it is actually pretty good. It's very loud. It does give you some of that bass, if you like bass on your phone, on your speaker, excuse me. So in all, I would have to rate this out of 1 to 10. I would definitely have to rate this about a 10, 11. This is a very good speaker. Picked it up for, I believe it was $100 at Walmart. Nice, rugged, waterproof, water resistant. Right here, you have your USB plug. You have your, I believe that is your AUX in. And this does charge by a regular 12-volt battery charger, which this comes with a plug I did not mention in the other post. I think I had it charging for about 30 minutes and it's completely charged. So yeah, in all, I would say it's a very nice unit. I didn't even have to use a Bluetooth. I just touched my phone against this and it automatically connected. So yeah, this is a very nice device. I would recommend purchasing this if you do not want to spend too much money on a speaker system. This came out to like $99.99. So yeah, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to post them below. Thank you.